Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge of Place of Fine and Craft Ales. If you haven't met him before, this is my world famous brother, Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Hello everybody in YouTube land.
Yes, thank you everybody in YouTube land. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not watching on YouTube, get over there and press the subscribe button.
It's going up, keep creeping up, isn't it? We're not far off 600 people, and how stupid enough to watch us.
Talking about beer kits.
Beer kit. He brews them, we review them.
That's it.
Simple as that, isn't it? And just before we get going, there is loads of videos on there now.
There is, yes.
So if you are thinking about buying a kit, chances are we've tried it.
We've tried it, reviewed it.
And it'll be in our little videos on YouTube, so check them out.
And of course it is all our personal taste.
Obviously, that's what we review it as what we think, innit? So, and we've got some beers, bro.
Of course we have, bro. And we're going to start off with a new one today from those guys at Dark Rock Brewing called Monster Mash. It was a great guy.
Oh, it was a monster mash.
Now this is an Imperial Stout. I think.
Show the folks.
Is it a Russian Imperial Stout? Yeah.
There we go, look, there's the box.
It had something to do with the Queen of Russia visiting England and trying our stouts and making stout for her troops.
You swallow an history book or something? Jeez. He knows it all tonight, doesn't he? Bohemian range.
Yes,
Monster Mash.
Range, yes.
You're right, Russian Imperial Stout. Maybe 32 pints.
Read the back on the blurb because
Blurb on the
I do
back.
believe being an Imperial Stout it has to be fairly strong, bro.
Holy molies!
Yes.
Alcohols to 8% ABV.
And if you want it stronger, you can add another bag of sugar and make it 9.1.
Even the description says, we have created a monster. This powerful Imperial Russian Stout is a luxurious dark stout which is steeped in history and heritage. As more waffle, if you want to know more, buy the kit. What's the price of this one, bro? I think we just over.
Yeah, £24.50 that one.
Yeah, £24, I think. Yeah.
And then it's got good comprehensive kit. We've reviewed these kits before. You get all your hops labelled, what times they want to be boiling, your grain in there, your yeast in there, your finings in there, and a sachet of pure brew as well. Basically, everything is weighed out for you.
This is part mash kit, isn't it?
Part mash kit.
Lovely, jubbly. It's through the corny cake.
I'll put in the corner cake,
yeah.
throw it through the Guinness pump with the gas, and away we go.
And you know what? Looks
Spot on, doesn't it?
spot on now, doesn't it, mate? Ooh.
Oh, now then. There's a good starting nose there.
There is a good starting nose, but hints of something else, but I'm not sure what.
Maybe the sort of hops that's been put in it.
Do we know what sort of hops? Obviously.
No.
Okie dokie. Well, I'm going straight in.
Oh my life.
Now then.
That's almost like drinking, and I've heard people say this, a black IPA. And there's a strong hoppiness there, and dryness mixed in with a stout.
There's a big danger with this beer.
Being too easy drinking.
That does not taste like an 8% beer.
No.
In the slightest.
Not at all.
I could quaff a pint of that and probably fall over. Ooh.
And there's some dark, rich, malty chocolate taste coming through on the tongue as well.
Oh, second one's even better. Like my bro says, dark, rich, chocolate, velvety, smooth, everything an Imperial Stout should be. That's fantastic.
Well done.
And you could probably get in a big mess very quickly drinking that.
I've too many of them tonight, then, bro.
Is it a 10 out of 10, bro?
I think it is actually.
You know what? I think it is. I must admit,
Even though it is a stout.
Stout's sometimes not my favourite sort of thing, so we are going for personal taste. But if you like stout, that is bob on. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm talking about stouts and companies in general. We moan quite often than not about companies not releasing enough new beer kits. This company released 5 more beer kits the other day.
Have you ordered them?
2 chocolate stouts, a coffee stout, a chocolate stout, and a couple of porters, and something else I can't remember.
I mean, if you do drink your beer seasonally, it is that time of year for dark beers.
Saying that as well, it is the time for year for dark beers. Festival have also released a new kit on the market all day, and it's an Imperial Stout, so it must be the time of year for stouts.
Yeah. Notoriously, winter beers are dark beers, aren't they? So you know. So yeah.
Moving on.
Yeah. Another beer then.
Another beer, Brad.
Another beer. I like this job.
And then this is a new one on us. This is an all grain kit. And so it's the big grey box over there, bro.
Oh, right, okay.
And it's called Brew-Elution, I think.
Oh, this is it. It's over here, isn't it?
And then on the front there it says, and I can't understand why anybody would call their beer Juicy Jane IPA.
Okay. Juicy Jane's New England IPA.
Yes.
Basically, it comes in a big box which they've slapped a sticker on. So it's all right, overly spent on the packaging, but that doesn't really matter, does it? Because it's what the beer tastes like at the end of the day.
Now, you do get comprehensive instructions with this, and it is designed to use their I forget the word. They're all-in-one brewing system.
Okay.
And I can't remember the name, but it's a Brewster or a Carston or something like that. So the instructions are for an all-one brewing system. I've got a Brew Devil, so I just followed the same instructions.
Okay. Rightio. Juicy Jane is an amazing representative for a new style in beer. New England IPA, which is more like a juice than beer. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to like this.
Yeah, well, it's a Napier, chap. New England IPA.
But, you know,
so it should be hazy as well.
Tastes like heaven, it says on here. Tastes like heaven. Almost 400 grams of hops make this beer unforgettable. It tells you the colour, tells you IBU. This isn't exactly small on the percentage, it's 6%. This one.
Oh, I can still feel the cheeks warming up from that last one.
This could be a heavy, messy night. Okie dokie. Tells you weight, yield. Lovely. Nice. You know, great. Right.
Yeah, good kit, good bag of grain in there, and you do get some hop socks as well with this one.
Right, and that stops it obviously getting your hops in, obviously in the
yeah, because you do dry hop.
Yeah.
I put your hops into a kind of an hop sock, and then that stops it disappearing into your beer and getting stuck in your siphoning tube, etc.
Right, well here we go. It's hazy as it should be.
Should be.
Yeah,
Cheers.
lovely.
Oh, there's a good whiff there, isn't there? There's a good smell of those hops, and almost a smell of juice.
It smells of juice.
It almost smells like that glass of orange juice you pick up in the morning just before breakfast.
A nice hit of hops there, though, bro. That's a nice smell. That's a nice nose to it. That is. Right, I'm going in.
Yes.
Dear Lord, that's good. Oh, that's good. That's fab.
Oh, that's good.
That is right up my street, that is.
Another good Napier, I think. Yeah, absolutely juicy, bang on the money with the balance
Quite
of
bitter
hops.
at the end.
Yes,
Nice.
there's good bitterness there.
Bit of bitter.
Just dry your tongue out enough.
Yeah,
Just
not sucking it inside out, but just enough.
just enough to make you want for more.
And again, very deceptive. I wouldn't have said that was a 6%er. Oh,
Quite
it's
easily
going to be
down,
messy.
Oh, yes.
That's lovely, bro, that is.
Yeah.
Um,
If you could taste that, it's like happening.
yeah, Brew-Elution, mate. That's fantastic.
I'll be getting some more.
Absolutely lovely.
Kids. That's absolutely lovely.
We'll go straight in then. Is it a 10 out of 10?
Oh, definitely.
It's definitely a 10 out of 10. Even, and I know spots are not available. Oh, to me, it's almost a contender for the list.
Yes, we might have to knock one off, I think, because this is better than some that are on the list by a long way.
I'll get the list.
If you haven't been watching, we're compiling a list of the 12 beer kits of Partridge,
In our opinion.
and we've down to limited space, shall we say? I think
Of one.
of one.
Which is the top spot. Just see if I can get my brother and the list in there, like, as you can see.
Now we've said this before. This is a new kit. A lot of those kits on there we've made before. We've done them again because they came in as 10 out of 10.
It's basically the top 10 or top 12 of 10 out of 10 beers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. As you can see, number 1 is still available. I don't think it's number 1.
I don't think it's number 1, but we could probably take off Werry.
Oh, I like Werry.
Yeah, but I think that's better than Werry.
Where's Werry? Oh, there's too many good beers on here.
It's hard, isn't it? You see, we could have a bigger list, but you know.
Well, the idea of 12 pints of Christmas, obviously, because we're partridges, and
Yes.
it's 12 pints of partridge, really.
That's a 12 big Partridge.
So we might have to have a scrap about that and talk about that later. But number 1 spot's available. It's not number 1, but it's good.
It's fantastic beer. It's fantastic.
It's
beer.
fantastic.
Yeah, that's better than. It's a 4 grain kit, so it is different to
It's very rounded in flavour, isn't
two
it?
can
Well, yeah.
kits, I suppose, in a way. Are we over judging it because our kits, and this being an all grain?
You're obviously comparing all grain Yeah, but we're all just comparing kits at the end of the day,
Yes,
in our opinion.
Yes.
And how much is this one? Do we know? Off the
I
top of
can't
your head?
remember off the top of my head.
Okay. Well, they're always usually about the same sort of thing. These
Yeah.
are obviously premium sort of kits, so yeah. But yeah, cracking beer, guys.
Cracking beer.
I do believe we have a third beer.
We do, yes. We're going back to Dark Rock, and we're going back to one we've made before. It's called the Boss's Boss. Now, this is this is a double IPA.
I'm quite thankful they changed packaging on this.
It did have a certain character.
You know, President of the United States on this.
Some people love or hate him, and
So there we go. It's the Boss's Boss.
so we don't like politics in beer, so we've got politics out of beer, and we've just gone for Boss's.
Him and me disagree about it all the time. So this is the Bohemian range again. I think the Monster Mash was Bohemian range, wasn't it? The Boss's Boss double hopped D IPA. So that's a double IPA, obviously.
Yeah.
Makes 40 pints. Again, right. I'm struggling for a beer to start on tonight because this is a 7%er as well.
Again, you need to add sugar to make it to its full strength. I've left the sugar out and just gone with what came in the kit.
We've obviously reviewed this before. We know it's a 10 out of 10 already before we go any further. But it's the Boss's Boss, double dry hopped, double IPA with beer attitude. Big citrus flavours, punched through from freshly vacuum packed Citra, Simcoe and Cascade hops. Again, it goes on there. But everything you want in the Park Mash kit there. Brilliant.
Quite dear kit though, bro, isn't it? Because it's got quite a lot of
It's
hops.
quite dear. I think I said £34.50, I think. But if it's worth it,
That's it.
you're still getting 40 points for your £34.
Yeah.
So, you know,
Still £100 a pint by a long way.
£100 a pint.
And being double hopped, what that means is, at the dry hopping stage, you make your beer as per, and day 5 you're going to add some dry hops, which you do. You add 1 bag of dry hops, and then on day 7 you add another bag of dry hops.
Blooming heck.
So double hopped.
Double hopped.
IPA.
That's what it says on the box, really.
They said it, yeah. And that produces
This bad boy.
this bad boy.
Right. Depending on what light you get on it, it's a nice white colour, isn't it?
Yeah, light colour. I said golden again.
Golden again, isn't it? Yeah. Nice nose.
Nice nose.
Not
nice.
overly punchy.
No, I wouldn't say overly punchy, to be fair. No.
No, but nice.
Yeah.
And cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Ooh.
Stop the train.
Stop the train, get off the train, get the train off the tracks. That is to die for. There is nothing wrong with that beer.
If you don't like that beer, there's something wrong with
You don't like beer. If you don't like that beer, then you don't like beer.
There's a good roundness there, but it's also so smooth for a park grain kit. And
You see, that's it. It's part. I would have said that was 4 grain because there's a full rounded depth of flavour there, isn't there? That's cracking. That is. You can almost distinguish each hop in there. It is really good.
well, I'm tasting a little bit of strength this time as well, actually.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a Friday night in B&P, and we haven't got a beer that's less than 7% on the bar.
I seem to remember though, bro, that one there didn't actually brew to its full 6%. I think.
Oh, 6%, sorry, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it brewed to about 5.3. So you'd be best with that
Oh,
one.
best off starting on that then before I fall over.
Yeah, well,
Now then, obviously it's a 10 out of 10.
oh yes.
We know it's a 10 out of 10.
Oh yes.
Because we already give it a 10 out of 10. But is there anything else to add to it, bro?
Is it on the list?
Is it on the list? I'll get the list again. Slight drum roll here.
Could it be number 1? What do you reckon, Alan?
As you can see, there's only one spot left. I'll let you decide that, bro.
Thanks, no pressure here. I think it is actually.
It's number 1.
It's number 1.
It's number 1.
Number
It's after all the. I don't know how many years we've been doing this. Well, you've been making beer kits.
For about 4 or 5 now.
Well-
Been reviewing kits.
That, apart from probably some custom grain kits we've made ourselves, is the best thing you can buy in a kit.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
It's definitely worth the extra few pennies or pounds. And congratulations then to Dark Rock Brewing.
Dark Rock Brewing, number 1
Well,
beer.
well done.
Yeah.
You are the Dog and Partridge's number 1 beer kit. Of
Cheers.
the 12 beer kits of Partridge. And I'll drop you an email. And if you want one, give me your shirt size, and you can have a prestigious Dog and Partridge t-shirt.
You too can look like a fat dart player like me. The beer's already taken
Yeah, and it has a
effect,
fat. There might not be fat.
no, but I am. Anyway, yeah, fantastic. Brilliant. Yeah, number one
Yeah.
then. Brilliant, bro.
If you haven't brewed before, keep making beer kits because they are brilliant.
And good value for money as well,
Yeah.
when you think about it. I mean, we still go out and visit pubs because we like to support local pubs.
Yes, of course.
But when you go to a pub these days, even around here in the sticks, you're still looking at £3.5 a pint, aren't you?
I don't think you're saying much with us about price per pint.
It's quality.
It's quality. And years ago, beer kits got kind of a funny reputation of being a bit woo.
But everybody can probably remember the dad doing them at home.
Yeah.
They weren't that great, you know.
They weren't that great. This is pub quality.
It's pub quality, definitely.
Without a shadow.
Without a shadow of a doubt.
I know
and,
I've got
and
the
better
serving,
than a lot of other pubs as well.
Yeah, I know I've got serving methods similar to a pub, but this is coming straight out of the king cake down here, just to that. That's all. So that is good quality beer, and it's fantastic.
That's fantastic, bro, isn't it? Is that about it for tonight then?
It is, apart from if you want to know what's coming next time, bro.
Oh, what's coming next? Oh, it's got me working again. Look. I've got to say, Dark Rock, India Rocks.
India Rocks.
Now, I know, I bought him that for Christmas. Mangrove Jack's New Zealand Pale Ale.
That's just a one box kit.
Oh, Dark Speckled Hen.
No,
Dark Rock Speckled Hen.
Dark Rock, what is
He's
that?
written that really badly.
Yeah, sorry. Good job, the viewers got it. Yes, it's one of those from their tribute range, bro. Speckled Hen. And there's a video of me making Speckled Hen a while back on the Freeman videos.
Oh, one of your making videos.
Yeah, when I'm making videos, I'm actually making the Speckled Hen.
Ah, right, yeah, we'll see what it tastes like next time.
And
then.
you could be comparing it to a new cabinet Speckled Hen, of course.
Oh, we could do, yeah. Lovely.
Even though I think Speckled Hen's changed in taste over the years.
We'll leave that for the next video.
Well, we'll leave that there. Join us next time. So it's a goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him.
Cheers.